Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crochet Online Course. Today I'm gonna tell you how to crochet a beautiful pattern for baby blankets. So for that we need the hook number 2.5 mm as you can see in the screen, and the yarn is 3 ply or 4 ply. Okay, let's restart. Start from the making chains. Okay, make chains. We will take chains the multiples of 4. One portion of the design is on 4 chains, so I will take 20 chains for 5 designs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 chains for the designs, and 3 extra chains for making the double crochet. 1 2 3. Okay, make a double crochet in the 4th chain, 1 2 3, and in the 4th chain like this. Okay, make all the double crochets on all chains. This is the first row. In this first row we will do only DC in every stitch. Really easy to start and no any complications, just simple, easy and fast. Okay, complete this whole line. Okay, the first row is completed of double crochet all over the line. Now we will do 1 chain and cut the yarn. Okay, now take another color. The other color you want to make, I will this peach color. Okay, start from the back, from here on the first. Okay, it's outdoors from here. Okay, take the other color, take 3 chains, 1 2 3. Okay, first. Okay, now skip this first one from the second. Now make 4 chains, 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. Okay, now wrap it, and from the first and from the back like this, and double crochet. Okay, you can see. Okay, now we will skip the one stitch. Skip this stitch, start from there. 1, take 3, 2 and 3, wrap it, and in the skip stitch from the back, and okay, and in the all loops. Done. Again skip this in. Now 3 double crochets, 1 2 3 double crochet. Now again in the skipped stitch like this. Just take it loose, not very tight, and in all. Okay, do all the same. Skip again 3 double crochets. Keep doing that, repeat and repeat. It's too easy, no any complication or some other things. All is repetition of the same technique. One, two, three. Again in the skipped like this and over. In the last we will have one double crochet. Okay, 1 2 3 chains, turn over and skip this from this. 1 2 and 3 and 3 and in the first like this. Okay, got it. Again we will skip this and again 3 double crochet. 1 2 3 double crochet, wrap it in the skipped stitch and from the back take the loop from the back. Okay, now okay, you can see the design. Now you can see the difference. Okay, do it all over. Okay, you can see 3 rows are completed, 1 line of this and 2 rows of this. Okay, now cut the yarn. We will again now it's from the not this side, from this side we will start this side, the white color, again white, then again another color as you like. Okay, we will attach this color in the third chain and make all the DCs. 1 2 3 from the second. Okay, take all the double crochet all over the line like I did in the first row. It's like the first row, just doing that. All double crochets. Okay, do it all over the line. Completed the fourth row. Cut the yarn and start the new line from this side. Okay, I will add this color yellow, then again I will add this blue color. It's the same, repeating again and again. Okay, my piece is completed. You can see now how it is turned out. You can add different colors in the line if you like, or repeat again and again, and white line if you like you can add another colors. It's very soft and easy and very fast going. There is no other complications and very simple, and you can see it looks like so beautiful.